Okay guys, Alex Train Spotter HD, welcome back to another Trains At, and today I am at Bristol Parkway. Made a trip to Bristol today as we have a cross-country service to Newcastle about to depart. This is the train I got off to get to Bristol Parkway. 221121 is at the front. Seems to be a few freights over on the sidings. I'll try and show you that in the video later on. (221-134) at the back. So in this video you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Cross Country, and with any luck some freight as well. So obviously I've filmed here many times in the past at Bristol Parkway. Always end up making a good video here, basically due to the freight that actually comes through Parkway. Fortunately, not much freight goes through Temple Means, hence why I come to Parkway to try and catch some freight on camera. And you will be seeing at least 2 freight trains in this video. So, like I said, I'll show you the looks like freights in the sidings there as well. So I'll show you those. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains.
Dursley and Gloucester. This train has 3 coaches.
Okay, as you just heard by Roger, the announcer, we got a Great Western Railway service coming in, going to Gloucester from Weymouth. It's 166-209. So we will see that go out very shortly. Okay, back to the part now. It'll be the 1351. Great Western Railway service to Gloucester. 166-209 is leading the way. Well, on this service, I should say. There she goes. Okay, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Yes guys, the IETs are now back in operation. 800-027 is at the front. This is a 10 coach one. And we will see that go out very shortly. So we'll come back then. Okay, we're back in the video and back to the part now. Will be the 1357 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea. 800-027 will be leading the way. Now obviously these IETs will be checked regularly apparently. Make sure these cracks don't get any bigger. (800-035) at the back. Now, I can't take it from them, they do have great acceleration, the IETs. Okay, well, we'll be back in a few minutes with, yeah, you guessed it, and you know you love me saying this, some more trains. Okay guys, we're back in the video. We should see two trains in this video. We got this one here terminating from Weston-super-Mare. Turbo again. Looks to be 166 208 on this one. So we saw the 209 and now we're seeing the 208. Yeah, that, like I said, that's terminating in from Weston-super-Mare. And I would like to turn your attention to this way, as shortly we should have a Great Western Railway service coming in from London Paddington going to Swansea. Although he doesn't look like he's coming in yet. Well, I want to keep the camera rolling anyway. I don't want to be coming back into another clip really. Or do I? Also, I don't want to make you wait, guys, for the train to come in. Well, that train behind me must have come in quite early. Come on, IET, where are you? So yeah, like I said, guys, most of the IETs are back in operation. Not all of them, but most of them, which helps, of course, because obviously with the IETs being out of service, it was quite a nightmare. And the IET from London Paddington is coming in now, so we will keep the camera rolling. It's a 9-coach one, apparently. So the number on this one is 800 312. There she is. Okay, departing now will be the 1405 Great Western Railway service to Swansea. Great, get it right, Alex, you Burke. There she goes. Okay guys, about to depart now will be a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare, starting from Bristol Parkway. 1410 to be precise. And there she goes. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and just arrived with a Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern going to Weymouth. Double turbo on this one, so that's a bit different. 5 coaches long. I'll show you the rates in the sidings once this leaves. We got 166 215 leading the way. got 165, 128 at the back. Okay guys, well, as you can clearly see over there, we'll get a better shot of it. I'll go down here. And we got two Freightliners in the sidings there. One at the back, the very far back, is 66,542, and the other is 66,589. Looks like they formed some freight trains either today or the other day, and they're just sitting there now, and well, they may go out at some point. I'll just give you a little zoom in shot. There you go. Can't quite see it because the fence is in the way, but Freightliner there, Freightliner there. So I'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back in the video and about to come sneaking up the line from platform 1 will be a cross-country service from Newcastle to Bristol Temple Meads. 221131. I'm going to keep the camera rolling guys, because we're going to have our first bit of freight of the video. Now this freight is coming from coming from Norfolk sidings going to Sevenside Seater. And it'll be carrying a load of 2,200 tons. This one was actually running quite late, but it's actually made up time. So which is quite impressive. Obviously it can't go through yet because the signal's red, and plus that cross-country service has only just left. So yes, so I hope you all are enjoying the video so far. This won't be the only freight we'll get on this video. There will be another one coming from Wales. So yeah, it should be made for a good little video. There would have been more freight cut up on this video as well, but there would have been a light locomotive move, but that came through really early. There was another freight that came through really early anyway. So but we do have this freight now, so always not bad. It's a class 66 DB. Signal's green, so it will go through now. $66,020. Lovely clag and thrash by the class 66. That seemed like a never-ending freight train, that one. I love the colourful wagons on that, from the blue and the gold wagons in between. So that's a nice little colourful mixture there. So there we go. So we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we are back in the video, and we got a second freight train now going through from Fiamoca going to Margam TC. This one's actually going to Wales, not coming from Wales. And this is carried a load of 600 tons. And also coming in shortly should be a cross-country service from Plymouth going to Edinburgh, and that'll be a cross-country HST, so obviously I'll record that. Here's a freight train coming now, class 60 I should say. According to the real-time trains out, this is meant to be stopping for staffing reasons, but I don't know if it will be now. Lovely clag and thrush from the class 60. Wow, look at that beauty. "60 020 is the number on locomotive." There you go. Nice load again. Quite colourful as well. I'm tempted to keep the camera rolling for the cross-country service from Plymouth going to Edinburgh. I don't know if it's coming yet though. Doesn't look like it is, so we'll come back in a few seconds. Okay guys, coming through now will be another passing service. This is from Tightly sidings going to Bristol Barton Hill. Looks to be a cross-country turbo star. I got to admit, you don't normally see cross-country turbo stars here at Parkway, so that's a first. It's 170 and 104. And there's the unexpected move there. Weird that one, guys. And we got the cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh coming in, 43-303 at the front. So we will see her go out very shortly. So we will come back then. Wait for it to stop. Quite packed on that train as well. Okay guys, back to the part now. It'll be a cross-country service to Edinburgh from Plymouth. 43-303 at the front. (43-239) at the back. There she goes. Running slightly late. Okay guys, well we're coming to the end of the video. I'm going to record a few more trains, then I'm going to head off. I think I'll do a video at Filton Abbey Wood next, after I finish here at Parkway. We got a Great Western Railway service over on platform 4. This will be going to Gloucester. another turbo, and this one is 166 212. There she goes. And coming in shortly should be a Great Western Railway service to London Panton. Apparently this one has only got 5 coaches, so yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds once it comes in. Okay guys, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to London Panton from Swansea. Bit ambitious of me staying all the way down here, so we move up the platform. I didn't realise this was only 5 coaches, so yeah, we'll just move down the platform a bit. We will. So I'm going to stay here a bit longer than I originally planned, so I want to get a few more trains on camera. I think this length of the video I've done so far, it's not quite long enough for my liking. Pleased that we managed to get 2 freight trains on camera, so I am pleased with that outcome. So yeah, I gotta keep the camera rolling because this train is only just on time. Got to say the weather is it's quite promising. It's partly sunny. There is due to the fact that there was going to be some showers on and off today, but luckily at the moment we haven't had any showers. Well, that outcome could change though as I go to Filton Abbey Wood later, but and obviously Filton Abbey Wood hasn't got much in the way of shelter, so hopefully it doesn't rain there. So we do have the Great Western Railway service to London Panton back to depart. So it's 800 028 is the number on that train. So we're back in a few minutes with some more trains. That's 166 206 terminating in from Weston-super-Mare. Keep the camera rolling for this Great Western Railway service to Swansea, which should depart now. This is the NHS liveried one, which obviously is 802020. And there she goes. So yeah, like I said guys, there's got most of the IETs now back up and running. Also they're gonna have to check them every day though, to make sure those cracks don't get worse. So we're back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, welcome back to a really rainy Bristol Parkway now. We're having spirits in a hefty shower, and coming in now will be a cross-country service to Plymouth from Glasgow Central. This is only 4 coaches long, Be one more train to get on camera after this one. (220.009). Okay guys, back to the park now. We have cross-country service to Plymouth. Got to record it from here because we are experiencing a hefty shower here at Bristol Parkway now. Quite filthy at the back. Looks like that hefty shower has calmed down. So there's one more train to get on camera guys, and it's an empty coach and stop movement from Hereford. So it will come out shortly with that train. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. This will be the last train of the video, and it'll be an empty coach and stop movement from Hereford going to Stoke Guildford. Looks to be a IET, assuming only 5 coaches long. Going for a little early as well. In fact, it might wait here because the signal is not green. So the number is 800-317. So it's actually more than 5 coaches. It's actually 9. Looks like it's stopping for a bit, is it? To keep the camera rolling. Yeah, looks like it's stopping for a bit. Come back in a few seconds. Okay guys, coming in now, we have cross-country service from Bristol South Meads to Edinburgh. So it's 220.007 at the front with the 221.131 at the back. We saw the 131 earlier on, so it got coupled onto another Vorder at Temple Meads then. And that movement from Hereford going to Stoke Guildford is still over on platform 1. It still hasn't left, so it may be staying here for a while, I'm not sure. But I'm going to end the video here now at Bristol Parkway as that cross-country train comes in. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I got to say, a nice little selection of trains here. Saw 2 freights, we saw some unusual movements. Saw that cross-country turbo start. Saw that movement there a minute ago from Hereford, the IET. We saw some Vorders. We saw cross-country HST. And we saw a few turbos, didn't we? We didn't see any 158s though, Great Western Railway. I thought we might have, but we haven't. So yeah. So I was hoping to go to Filton Abbey Wood, but unfortunately the train I was hoping to catch has got cancelled, which annoyingly would happen, wouldn't it? So it looks like I'm gonna have to go to Temple Meads now to make a video there. But nonetheless guys, hope you enjoyed this video here at Bristol Parkway. And as this cross-country service to Edinburgh goes out, I'll see you all soon guys. Take care. See it go out actually. So yeah, until next time from me here at Bristol Parkway, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.